I have to reiterate, Your Honors, that this is a pending investigation, ongoing investigation. And we had to do verification and validation on our own. And based on our validation, it was confirmed what Senator Hontiveros said, that the subject, Alice Go, entered Kuala Lumpur International Airport on July 18 at 12:17. We thank Your
Because,
Honors for pointing us
Because
in the right
after
direction.
Senator Risa delivered her privilege speech that and revealed that Alice Go was already in Malaysia, and then you denied it the next day. You were not aware of it. Buti pa si Senator Risa alam, kayo hindi alam.
We would like to thank Senator
Kaya
Hontiveros
nga,
regarding that.
ibig mo sabihin, mas magaling intelligence niya sa office niya kaysa sa inyo.
Your Honors,
Labo naman nun.
we would like to thank Senator Hontiveros for pointing us in the right direction. But we had to confirm also on our own, Your Honor. And it
But you
corroborated,
denied it the next day.
Your Honor.
That Alice Go was still in the country after the privilege speech delivered by Senator Risa.
If I may, Your Honor, I wasn't the one who denied it. I wasn't the
It's
YC yet, Your Honor.
Yes, it was the Bureau at
It
the
was the Bureau,
time,
yeah.
and now we are hearing the report of the same Bureau, their latest ongoing findings.
Yes.
My
And
God. After she delivered her privilege speech that Alice Go left the country, that the next day you denied that she was in another country, that she was still here in the Philippines.
Commissioner, I hope
sir.
you understand why we feel very strongly about this.
Yes, Your
Dahil
Honor,
nung panahon
I
pong
understand.
iyon, just before we discovered and shared in plenary na nakatakas na pala si Alice Go, I remember there was a hearing, pangako po ng BI noon sa amin,
Your Honor.
ni SP Pro Tempore, based on his questioning, na andito pa si Guo Huaping sa Pilipinas at hindi siya patatakasin ng BI. Yun pala at that time, she had already escaped. So, kaya po, I'm sure you can understand how strongly we feel po about this. At the same time,
understand, Your Honor.
na-appreciate ko po yung the report that you are making to us now sa
Yes,
inyong ongoing investigation. It's good to hear.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kino-confirm nyo po yung information namin na talagang pumasok sa KL International
And-
Airport si Guo Huaping
And it was also
July 18.
yes, Your Honor. It was also stated that there is no record of entry into Sabah on July 19, 2020.
Opo, similar dun sa napag-alaman namin na yung stamp supposedly entering Sabah July 19 was fake.
Yes.
Unlike po yung kino-confirm nyo na rin ngayon na genuine stamp of arrival at KL International Airport on July 18. Tama
July
po.
18 yung entry po.
Opo.
There was a confirmation of the entry of the subject into Kuala Lumpur International Airport on July 18,
Opo.
2024 at 12:17, Your Honor. And in
Please
the event
proceed
that
po with your report.
in the event that there are any mistakes made in the past, we would like to rectify that, Your Honors.
And hopefully, wala nang repeat po niyan. Ang bubuin po namin hindi lang findings but recommendations,
Yes, Your
including
Honor.
through remedial legislation, ay
Yes,
para
Your Honor.
hindi na mangyari ulit yan
So po.
in the hands of BI.